Today we finally have something big, the first ever confirmed look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, and honestly, it looks like one of the most exciting foldable changes in years. Welcome back to Technology Trends. If you love the latest smartphone leaks and future tech updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any major news. Now let's get straight into the leak. According to new information found inside the latest software code from Samsung, the company is preparing two versions of its next foldable lineup this year. There will be the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8, but the real highlight is a new wide edition, possibly launching as the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. And this device is different. For the first time in Samsung's foldable history, the cover display is getting a shorter but much wider aspect ratio. Instead of the tall and narrow screen we're used to, this one looks more like a passport-style display, wider, more practical, and perfect for media consumption, browsing, and multitasking without opening the phone. This is a big shift in design philosophy, especially as competition in the foldable space continues to grow. Speaking of competition, brands like Oppo experimented with wider foldables in the past, but none were as wide as what Samsung is planning now. Even devices from Google didn't push the outer display this far. Now let's talk about the display technology, because this is where things get even more interesting. Samsung is reportedly introducing a dual-layer ultra-thin glass structure. Instead of a single UTG layer, the new panel adds reinforcement at both the top and bottom. This could reduce the screen crease by around 20% compared to the previous generation. And while 20% might not sound huge on paper, early display previews shown at tech exhibitions already look noticeably smoother. But Samsung isn't stopping there. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is also expected to use a laser-drilled metal plate structure underneath the display. This not only helps reduce the crease further but also improves durability, something foldable users have been asking for. Now let's move to performance and battery. Leaks suggest the battery capacity could jump from around 4,400 mAh to nearly 5,000 mAh. That's a major upgrade for a foldable device and should significantly improve daily battery life. Along with that, faster charging is expected, possibly 45W fast charging, compared to the slower speeds on the previous model. Another feature making a comeback? S Pen support. This would give the wide edition a serious productivity advantage, especially for professionals, students, and creators. Now let's talk pricing. Reports suggest the wider Ultra version will sit between the standard Fold model and Samsung's future Tri-Fold device, which means pricing could land somewhere around $2,000 or slightly higher. Yes, it's expensive, but for users who want the latest foldable innovation in a completely new form factor, this could be worth it. And here's something interesting. Many analysts believe Samsung is pushing these improvements partly due to upcoming competition from Apple, which is also expected to enter the foldable market soon. So what's the final verdict? The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition could be one of the biggest upgrades in Samsung's foldable history: a wider outer screen, reduced crease, bigger battery, faster charging, improved durability, and S Pen support. If Samsung delivers all of this, the Fold 8 might set a new standard for premium foldable smartphones. So what do you think? Would you choose the wide edition or stick with the standard Fold model? Let me know in the comments. This is Technology Trends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more latest tech leaks and future smartphone updates. And I'll see you in the next video.